Today is another mystery box swap, y'all. Here are the participants for this month, and I can't wait to see what everyone's done. The unboxing of our third mystery box collaboration. I received a box from Nancy Caldwell. Her channel is right here. And I'm about to get into it. Now, our mystery box swaps differ from other people's because it's more like cutthroat crafting. We try to stump each other. We send each other 5 items, and we have to use all 5 to make one project. If it's totally impossible, we'll make 2. I'm going to see how much I have been stumped and find out what I'm going to attempt with these. I have a little bit of time to think about it. By the way, isn't that the cutest thing? The butterfly and the R on there. She's so sweet. Ooh, we have a card in the top. Oh my, and I see wood pieces. Oh my. Let's see what she says. Oh, look at that. How pretty. 'Tis the season. Hi, Leah. So exciting about my first mystery box swap. Hope I didn't go too crazy. All the items for the swap are marked. The other items are gifts. Thank you, Nancy. Happy crafting. She's so sweet. I've just recently got to know her, and she is a total sweetheart. Okay, craft number 1. Picture frame. I have not seen these in my Dollar Tree. Interesting. Let's see what I'm going to have to go along with that. Ooh, Jenga blocks. Or tumbling tower blocks, I should say. Yes. The third item, gnomes. Oh my gosh, I just started decorating with gnomes this year. Those are totally adorable. Let's see. Oh, decor apples. Yes. And a crate. Oh my. This is a stumper for sure. Badminton birdies. Okay. Well, I'll have to think about that a little more. Ooh, I've been wanting a bottle cap. I haven't seen these at my store. Thank you, Nancy. Oh, handmade. I'm going to save that to the last because that is just precious. And another mystery, what did we call it? The item that stumps us. Oh, wild card item. Oh my gosh. I almost got this to put in a mystery box to Tammy. Look. What shall we do with these pieces when I add them with the gnomes? Some tumbling tower blocks and the wood picture frame. We shall see. We shall see. What other kind of goodies did she send me? Oh, transfer tape. I can use this. Absolutely. Friendship bracelet kit. So cute. Some stickers. Puppy stickers. Nancy, you are just a sweetheart. Ooh, adhesive pearl wrap. I have not seen this in my store. I got a roll of the ribbon that's about yay wide. That's great. Awesome, awesome. I may even use it on my picture frame craft. Butterflies. Love it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Hydrangeas are my favorite. Hold up. I've got one right here. I was going to make a craft with this stem. Look at that. Oh, how pretty. Lovely, lovely. And some DIY stickers, some wood slices, and pineapples. Now let's see what the handmade gift is. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Such a cute little bag, too. Oh, I don't want to rip the little bag. Is that silly of me? I'll just be silly then. So cute. Oh, how neat. Look at that. Worry less, do more. Do more than exist. Every day is a new opportunity to make a new happy ending. Great. You can find joy even in the most difficult days. Free spirit. Be brave. Oh, love it. That's going to go on my craft desk and stay there. I do love it. Worry less, do more. That's my motto at the moment. Or maybe do more than exist. I think that's a good motto for me also. Thank you so much, Nancy. And now I'm going to do a short intro and get into the crafting. Welcome to my channel. My name is Leah, and here you'll see things like Pinterest projects, thrift flips, trash to treasure, crafting, Dollar Tree DIYs, and shopping hauls. If that interests you, please subscribe. Before I get on with it, I had missed these in the box down on the side. Lovely sticker tags. Now let's start crafting. I started with the photo holder. What I'm going to do is try to build onto this with the other items that I got in my box. And initially I thought I was going to paint it, but then I remembered some really cute scrapbook paper that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby. Isn't that sweet? And it matches my fingers. Donuts and sprinkles. So I decided to go with the sprinkles that's mainly a pink color because that's what I've got going on in my craft room somewhat. And I couldn't figure out how to get the clamp off there, so I just turned it around to the top so I could get the paper adhered. Yeah, I'm looking again like, what am I going to do? But it all works out. I placed it down where it was straight across the top and side, and then I kind of used my fingers to score around that clip and down the other side and across the bottom where I needed to cut it. Y'all know Dollar Tree items are not always exactly straight, but it worked out with this because the pattern is so busy. I don't think anyone would ever notice unless they really stared at it that I missed a little bit here and there getting covered. So yeah, I used my scissors to cut out that little circle, and then I'm going to use my straight edge paper cutter to cut those other two, the bottom and the side. Now I'm going to add some Mod Podge to the wood. This is some gloss Mod Podge. I just swished it around, making sure to get all those edges and corners very well. Just smoothing it out, making an even layer. And then I attach the paper. Like so. And then I left that to dry for a bit. Oh, I turned that clip around while it was still wet, so I would be able to still turn it and then fix the paper around there. Ta-da! Looking cute already. Now, I'm gonna try to incorporate these birdies to look like some lace trim. Initially, my thought was to cut them all up, put lace all the way around, but it really doesn't need it. It's just like a little detail work that I put across the top. You'll see in a minute. I think it looks really cute actually. And it's not a lace that's going to flop over with time because it's plastic. Now there I'm just trying it on the corners. And then I decided, no, I'm going to go right in the center. And then put some little pieces on the sides. And I just used hot glue to attach it. Like that. And that second one I cut to fill in the rest of the top. Stick that down like so. And then I'll put those other little pieces to the sides. Kind of looks like a lace fan almost. But I wasn't really happy with how the pieces just cut off short there in the middle. So I cut up another birdie and put a second layer across the middle top. Now I've got to work in the other pieces. My other wild card item was a little princess set with a wand and bracelets and a ponytail holder, and I decided I'm going to use the ponytail holder since it's kind of the same colors that's going on with the sprinkles on the paper, and I just glued it across the top, folded it in half, glued it across the top, and that just adds a little more oomph to the design, if you will. That one little purple piece kept getting in the way. I kept trying to turn it up, but it's there to stay. Okay, for the gnomes, this probably stumped me more than any of the other pieces on how to use the gnomes. I thought maybe I would put different color hats on them or something to that effect. And then I tried to take the snowflakes off to see if I could do something with those. But then I ended up cutting the picks off, the little dowels where you would stick it down into an arrangement. I cut those off to use them, and still unsure about what to do with them. I was placing them in different parts on the clipboard frame. Yeah, I thought of putting them together at the bottom, and then I was like, no, if I'm going to use this for a picture holder, what I'll do is glue them on the sides so the picture won't roll up. That's a picture of me and my mommy. So I just put a little bit of glue down each side, and well, first I cut them the same length so it wouldn't look too wonky. And then I put a little bit of hot glue down each side of the picture and stuck those down. And still, even though it's red, it still blends with the colors I've got going on. And hopefully, like I say, that'll keep the picture from rolling up, because I want to keep this on display in my craft room. Now I'll clip it into that little clip there, like so. Straighten it up. And the last thing I have to use for this project is the Tumbling tower blocks. And I thought of writing on the blocks, putting 3 across and writing "Miss You, Mom." But then I decided, no, I'm just going to make a stand for this picture so I can stand it up, because it didn't have any kind of a stand on the back to begin with. So I started out with a couple of blocks across the bottom, one in the center there, and it wouldn't stand up for me. I guess I got them too low, or didn't get them low enough, because it was flopping over. So I put a couple of more of the tumbling tower blocks down. like that. And then tried it again. And there we go. It stands up now. Yay. Yay. There's my project all completed, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I may actually keep this around for a while because I do love it. The colors, it's so fun. So yeah, there's my 5-item project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you check out the playlist so you'll see the things that everyone else has made. See if anyone got stumped and couldn't get them all into one project. I'm curious about that. Until next time, bye-bye.